Hey, it's Peter from the Garden Family. I wanted to show you guys how to make hoops out of conduit so you can have row covers over your raised beds. So there's a few things you'll need for this. You'll need the hoop bender. I bought this one from Johnny's Seeds. You're gonna need 1/2-inch electrical conduit. And if you wanna fasten it to your raised beds, you'll need something to fasten it and some screws for that. So let me show you how to bend these so you can put them over your raised beds. The first thing is you'll need to fasten this to something. I've fastened it to a very heavy stump using some bolts that come with it. And as far as planning the shape, I have 14-inch high raised beds, so I made 14-inch marks here. I want this part to stay straight and the rest to bend. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in here up to that 14-inch mark, and then I'm just going to pull it over. Sequentially just move it in and bend a little bit more. And I'm going to do that until I get to the other side where I made the other 14-inch mark. So here's the hoop that I just bent. Let's go bring it over to the beds and put it with the other 3 I already made. All right. Just put this here. Usually need to stretch just a little bit to get on. And the next step will just be to fasten these to the edges of the raised bed. So to secure these, I'm going to use this 2-hole strap made for 1/2-inch conduit. And I also have some screws that are meant for outdoor use. So what I've done here is I've put these on really loose. The screws aren't tightened down. That way I can slide the conduit in. Now I'm just going to tighten these down. I'll just repeat those steps for the other sections. This will allow us to put a row cover over our cool weather crops and brassicas, protecting them from the frost as well as bugs such as cabbage worms. Hopefully this was helpful. Happy gardening, everyone.